Which hard-folding tonneau cover is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1. Tonneau Hardshell for F-150. First up is the Tonneau Hardshell Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, specifically made for the 2015 to 2026 Ford F-150 with a 5 feet 5 inches bed. Priced at $399.95. What stood out to me was the premium quality construction. If you want a cover that combines durability with ease of use, this is worth a serious look. The aluminum frame and powder-coated hinges provide a solid foundation, while the EnduraShield polymer panels are dent, fade, and scratch-resistant. Here's why this matters for you. If you're hauling gear or tools, you need something that can take a beating. The Extreme Seal keeps your cargo dry during rain or snow, making it reliable for all weather conditions. Plus, with a rating of 4.7 stars from nearly 1,000 reviewers, it's clear that many have found it to perform well. Now, some people complained about the price being a bit high compared to other options. Here's the thing though, you're investing in quality and longevity. If you want something that won't wear out after a few months, this is a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you own a Ford F-150 and want a high-quality, durable cover that's easy to install. Skip this one if you're looking for the absolute cheapest option. For the value, it's definitely worth the investment. Now, if the price of the Tonneau cover gave you pause, the next pick might be a more budget-friendly alternative while still offering great features. Product number 2. Tonneau Hardshell for Tacoma. Next, we have another offering from Tonneau, this one designed for the 2016 to 2026 Toyota Tacoma with a 5 feet 1 inch bed, priced at $349.95. This caught my eye due to its sleek design and solid build. If you want a reliable cover that also looks good, this is worth a serious look. Like its F-150 counterpart, this cover features an aluminum frame and EnduraShield panels that resist dents and scratches. It stays cool in hot weather, which is perfect if you're working in the heat. The simple clamp system allows for easy operation, making it user-friendly. Many users praise its ease of installation, and with a 4.5-star rating from over 580 reviews, it seems to satisfy a lot of Tacoma owners. However, some have noted that the fit can be slightly off for certain models. While this might be true for some, most users have found it to fit perfectly, so it's essential to double-check your specific Tacoma's measurements before purchasing. This is perfect for you if you have a Toyota Tacoma and want a stylish yet functional tonneau cover. Skip this one if you're not into DIY installation, as some adjustments might be needed. For the price, it offers excellent protection and functionality. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need top-notch weather protection. Product number 3. BAK Flip MX4 for Silverado. Coming in hot at $1,149.99 is the Real Truck BAK Flip MX4 hard folding truck bed tonneau cover, designed for the 2019 to 2026 Chevy/GMC Silverado/Sierra with a 5 feet 10 inches bed. This one truly has a reputation for being the best-selling truck bed cover in the world. If you want something that combines security with performance, you need to check this out. The updated design features an auto-latch locking system, keeping your gear secure from theft. Improved seals and tight-fit clamps enhance water resistance, meaning your cargo stays dry no matter the weather. It's been tested in extreme conditions, from -40 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a solid investment for those in any climate. With a 4.4-star rating across 1,800 reviews, users rave about its reliability and functionality. But here's a catch. The price is certainly on the higher end. Some might see that as a deal breaker, especially if they don't need the top-tier features. However, if you're serious about protecting your gear and ensuring your truck bed is versatile, the price makes sense for the quality. This is perfect for you if you own a Chevy or GMC and prioritize security and all-weather performance. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or don't need high-level protection. It's a premium option that offers incredible value for serious truck owners. Now, if you're looking for something stylish without breaking the bank, our next product might just fit the bill. Product number 4. Top Tiny Hard Folding for Ram. Next up is the top tiny hard folding truck bed tonneau cover, which fits 2009 to 2026 Dodge Ram 1500 with a 5 feet 7 inches bed, priced at $449.95. This one really caught my attention due to its shine-finished aluminum panels. If you want a cover that looks great and provides solid protection, this one's worth a serious look. The stylish design not only adds aesthetics, but also offers substantial protection against scratches and UV damage. The cover is fully locked once your tailgate is closed, giving you peace of mind that your cargo is secure. This product also offers excellent weather protection, keeping your truck bed dry in heavy rain or snow, a huge plus for those living in harsher climates. Rated 4.6 stars by over 900 reviewers, many appreciate its easy installation and functionality. However, a few users noted that the installation could be tricky if you're not familiar with truck accessories. I get that. It can be frustrating. But for most, the ease of use and quality outweigh this minor hiccup. This is perfect for you if you need a stylish and functional tonneau cover for your Dodge Ram. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with some DIY installation. Overall, it offers fantastic value in terms of design and functionality. If you're looking for the ultimate in performance, hang tight for our final product that delivers on all fronts. Product number 5. BAK Flip MX4 for Ford F-150. Finally, we have another real truck BAK Flip MX4, this time fitting the 2021 to 2026 Ford F-150, including Raptor/Lightning, with a 5 feet 7 inches bed, also priced at $1,149.99. Just like the previous model, this one boasts an auto-latch locking system and a reputation for performance. If you're serious about securing your cargo and want top-notch functionality, this one's worth considering. It features improved seals and clamps that provide a tight fit to keep the water out. And just like the earlier BAK Flip, it's been proven in extreme weather, which is essential if you live in varied climates. With a solid 4.3-star rating from over 700 reviews, users commend its durability and ease of use. However, some have mentioned that it can be a bit on the heavier side, which might make it a challenge for solo installation. I'll be real with you. That's something to consider if you're planning to tackle this alone, but many have found it manageable with a second set of hands. This is perfect for you if you own a Ford F-150 and want the best protection and functionality. Skip this one if you're looking for a lightweight option or if installing it alone seems daunting. It's a premium choice for those who want unbeatable performance. To wrap it up, all 5 tonneau covers reviewed today offer great features and reliability. Whether you're looking for something budget-friendly like the Tonneau options or the premium performance of the BAK Flip models, there's something here for every truck owner. To quickly compare, the Tonneau covers are great for durability and style, while the BAK Flip models excel in security and weather protection. The Top Tiny offers a nice balance of style and functionality. No matter your choice, each of these tonneau covers provides solid protection and peace of mind for your truck bed. Thanks for tuning in.